Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's take a look at an example of proving that two sets are the same. We have a set A and a set B. The set A consists of all integers of the form 5k plus 2, where k is some integer. So it's kind of like 2, like being 2 more than a multiple of 5. Set B is like being 3 less than a multiple of 5. So anything of the form 5k minus 3, where k is an integer. So we want to show that these two sets are the exact same thing, that both definitions or descriptions of what it means to be in the set are equivalent. So to do that, we show two things. We say we take an arbitrary element of the set A, and we show that it has to be in the set B. And then we take an arbitrary element of the set B and show that it must be in the set A. And then we will have shown that the two sets are equal. Okay, so to start off with, we have x is an A, and what does it mean to be an A? That means x is equal to 5k plus 2 for some integer k. All right, and somehow we want to turn this description into a description that puts it into B. So we want it to turn into 5 times some integer minus 3. Now the integer can be different than this integer. That's okay, it just has to be any integer. And you notice, well, if you can replace 2 with 5 minus 3, that's fine. And that enables you to factor out of 5, and look what we get. 5 times k plus 1 minus 3, where k plus 1 is an integer. So that means that x is equal to 5 times an integer minus 3. Hey, that's the description of what it means to be in B, the defining characteristic of the set B. So therefore, that means x must be in B. So since x is in A, it is in B. All right. So we've completed one half of the proof. Now let's go the other direction. Let's suppose that x is in B. Then that means that x is going to look like 5k minus 3 for some integer k. But we can rewrite negative 3 as minus 5 plus 2, which enables us to factor out of 5 and say 5 times k minus 1, where k minus 1 is an integer. So we know that if x is in B, written like this, it can be written like this, which means it's 5 times an integer plus 2, which is the defining characteristic to be in the set A. Therefore, that means that x is in A. And we have thus completed the proof. If x is in A, then it's in B. If x is in B, then x is in A. Thanks for watching.